What's up guys, in this short tutorial I will show you how to adjust contrast in CapCut PC. So firstly, what you want to do is to add your video to the timeline, like I did right here. Then what you want to do is to make sure that your video is selected. So to do that, all you have to do is to click on it. Then what you want to do is to go to Adjust tab. And from here you're going to scroll down till you see Adjust. And here you will have the contrast option for your video. Then you can decrease it or increase it. As you can see, it makes a big difference. And as simple as this, you can modify contrast in CapCut PC. Also, you can use the keyframe option. So for example, in the beginning, let's put a keyframe. So our contrast for this video will be -50, and to the end to increase to +50. So let's see the difference. And in CapCut you can even use frames for contrast option. So guys, this was the tutorial. Thanks for watching and don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to the channel.